Hello guys, this is coder45. Today I am going to show you how to take multiple variable input on a single line in Python like 2, 4, 6 and more on. So if you are new to Python, probably you are going to try this way, taking input on multiple lines, but it will not work. Let's check it. So here I am entering my input 2 and 4. So after entering 2 and 4, it wants more input. As we have use input function in multiple lines, so we have to input in multiple lines here also. So here it is. The proper way to do this is using map function. So in the first parameter we shall typecast our data integer and then use input function and split it. Now let's check it again. So here I am giving my input 2 and 4 and enter. So here it is, it's working now. So in this way, if you want to take more variable 3, 4 or 5, you can just add here on it. It will work. 2, 4, 6. Well, it's working.